Hi friends, this week I'm back with some cold stuff. As you know, it's Christmas, of course, and it's cold. But I'm gonna make this video more colder by using some colder stuff, you know, and it's dry ice. But I had told that I'll make video on liquid nitrogen, but sorry friends, I don't have liquid nitrogen right now as it got exhausted due to the heat and I couldn't store it in a thermocol container and I don't have a dewar right now to collect any of the liquid nitrogen. So please forgive me for this. And now I'm going to try my own experiment. I guess other YouTubers have not done this experiment or tried this experiment with dry ice, but I'm going to try it. I don't know. Okay. Uh, Please like my videos, this dry ice experiments. It may help me, gaining my confidence and making more experiments with more chemicals and corrosive chemicals. I have done a video on unboxing sodium hydroxide and I will use it today also. Okay, now the first experiment is gonna be have got some chunks of dry ice, and please don't try like this, okay, because it may give a frostbite to your hand, and I'm not gonna do that because it's painful for a week or something like that. As I got some frostbite over here, I told you in the liquid nitrogen video, so it's paining a lot even right now, and it may cause blisters. As Grant Thompson had done a video getting a frostbite in his hand, and I'm not gonna try that. Okay, for this you need some gloves as safety is number one priority told by Crazy Russian Hacker, and I accept with him. As this dry ice is minus 70 degrees Celsius, if I guess it's right, and just I'm gonna show some properties of dry ice, and you may see this that many YouTubers do this experiment. Okay, I'm dropping some dry ice into it. I guess this is enough, and I'm going to show that this carbon dioxide is non-supporter of combustion and even not supporting, it will not support combustion. Okay, now I'm going to remove this gloves as I'm handling the flammable thing. See, as soon as I get it near, that's it. This is what happens. Okay, let's move on to the next experiment. Okay, this experiment, I need some soap solution. I have some soap over here, liquid soap, and I'll mix some liquid soap to normal water, tap water. Okay, I'll mix this soap water. Yeah, pretty mixed. And you require some kind of cloth or some tissue paper like this. I got a tissue paper as it's convenient for me. Okay, now I have to take my gloves off or else it will be slippery to me. I cannot do the experiment properly. Yeah, now I got this tissue paper over here, and let me submerge this tissue paper in this soap solution so that let the paper get soapy. Okay, time to add some dry ice. I'll add some dry ice in this. Yeah, got soap solution like this, and now that's it. Now see the magic what happens. Whoa, this looks amazing, and that in a glass container, it looks insane. Okay, let me take all this stuff off. Whoa, it looks like a glass bulb. Let me use this to wipe. Whoa, I'm wondering when will it blow up. Blow up. Yeah, this is amazing, and please like this video. I like it a lot. Oh man, I wanted to try this experiment for some days. Oh, I wish come true. Actually, I can use it as a mirror, but it's not transparent, it's opaque, so I cannot use it properly. As soon as it gets filled with complete gas, it will pop up, and that's what happens now. Let me take all this, and I want to show this the effect over here. Okay, when it pops off, then the amazing thing gonna happen. Whoa, isn't it amazing? Yeah, I liked it a lot. Uh, yeah, and next experiment. Okay, the next experiment is have got some chunks of dry ice. This much is enough, and this is the video. I told that most I don't know whether any YouTuber has tried this or not, and I'm gonna try this experiment. And for this, you need this. You know, this is sodium hydroxide over here. Sodium hydroxide, lab graded, 99% pure, and you get this stuff in drain cleaner if you don't get the lab graded sodium hydroxide. Okay, in this container I'm gonna add its exothermic reaction, and this is a highly corrosive base, so please have gloves with you. Okay, I'm gonna take this cup full of sodium hydroxide. Yeah, this much is enough. Keep this aside. Okay, let me mix this sodium hydroxide with it in this glass cup. It's exothermic reaction once again. It's slippery over here, as I did experiment with dry ice and it made some water vapor out of this glass. Then mix it thoroughly. Use some kind of if you have a glass rod, use that. But I I have this popsicle stick over here. I'll use this to mix the base. You can see it's really corrosive and high exothermic, and I can feel the heat. Actually, it's warming up slightly. Now let me take off the gloves as I'm just mixing this, and make sure you don't spill this on your hand or something. Yeah, I can feel that it was so cold over here, but now it's turning warm. I guess it may heat up also. Yeah, let me mix this up. Now I have mixed the sodium hydroxide, so you can see it's clear. All are mixed, only some small chunks or pellets are there remaining. It will get mixed. Okay, now basically what the idea I have used here is sodium hydroxide you know, consumes or takes off any carbon dioxide near it. So now I want to test what happens if I put this stuff, chunk of full carbon dioxide, into this corrosive base. Okay, now it's warm. Yeah, a bit warm. And let me try this. This time I don't want to inhale anything, and let's see what happens exactly in this. And now I'm not gonna take any dries out of this. Please, I recommend to do this in a fume hood or outdoor, because this is a corrosive base, and I want to just try this experiment as no one had tried. I guess, I don't know. Carbon dioxide in this stuff. Whoa! Did you see that? Whoa! It created a whirlpool-like thing, tornado. Whoa! Like this. Yeah, you can see it. It's amazing. Let me swirl this thing up. Whoa! It's like a tornado. And here you can see nothing's happening really interesting, but the same thing what happens with water. So I am in a conclusion that nothing happens with such a corrosive base also. And if I get a chance to buy potassium hydroxide, which is more corrosive than this, it's 99%, and potassium hydroxide has more reactivity than this side, sodium hydroxide or drain cleaner. So nothing happens here. You can see this here. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this off and just end this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit